Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sign up for your Tango Coins account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Tango Coins account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Tango Coin application. The official page of Tango application will appear on the screen. You can sign up with your Google or with your phone number as well. Click on any one of the option. Here I'm gonna go with Google. Choose a Google account and tap on it. Choose your interest and tap on continue or else skip the process. You will end up on the home page of your Tango Coins account. This is how you can sign up for your Tango Coins account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.